Unlock your indoor garden with the Topogrow 2x2 Grow Tent Kit. Ready to ditch the weather worries and grow your favorite plants year-round? This complete kit has everything you need to start your indoor gardening journey. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's dive in. The Topogrow 2x2 Grow Tent Complete Kit is a comprehensive package designed for indoor growing. It includes a 24x24x48 grow tent, a 300W full-spectrum LED grow light, a 4D ventilation kit, and essential accessories. This kit provides an all-in-one solution for growing plants at various stages. The core of the kit is the durable grow tent, constructed with 600D Oxford mylar fabric and a highly reflective diamond mylar interior. It maximizes light efficiency. Heavy-duty zippers and double stitching prevent light leaks, while multiple vents ensure proper airflow. The 300W LED grow light features a full-spectrum design, perfect for all growth stages. It's equipped with 100 LED chips and 2 cooling fans to prevent overheating. You can easily adjust the height for optimal light coverage. The 4D ventilation kit includes an inline duct fan, a carbon filter, and flexible ducting. The carbon filter eliminates odors, while the fan ensures proper air circulation. This system is crucial for maintaining a healthy growing environment. This kit also includes a humidity thermometer, shears, trellis netting, a timer, and adjustable rope hangers. The thermometer helps monitor environmental conditions, while the trellis netting provides plant support. The timer automates light scheduling for consistent growth. Setting up the Topogrow kit is straightforward, making it ideal for beginners. The included components eliminate the need to source additional equipment. The compact size is perfect for small indoor spaces like apartments or basements. The Topogrow 2x2 Grow Tent Complete Kit offers several advantages. It's a complete setup with all essential components made with high-quality materials and provides full-spectrum LED light. It also offers effective ventilation and odor control. However, the limited growing space is ideal for small plants or a few medium-sized ones. Also, the LED lifespan could be longer. You can find more details and customer reviews on the Amazon product page. Don't wait any longer to start your indoor garden. Click the link to check out the Topogrow 2x2 Grow Tent Complete Kit on Amazon and take advantage of this all-in-one solution. Start growing your favorite plants indoors today.